What's going on, guys? So I'm sure you can tell by the title, we got a Tundra down, but it's actually not my Tundra, it is my dad's. So we're going to go ahead and try to fix it up for him tonight. So this is his 2006 four-door, two-wheel drive, 4.7. He says it's got a bad miss in overdrive, but a noticeable miss in all gears. So he went and got it scanned. It's saying a number 7 misfire, so I'm betting 20 bucks it's going to be a coil pack. So we got a coil pack and a spark plug. We're going to start with coil pack. I'm sure that's what it's going to be. But he bought this truck brand new in 2007. It's been absolutely great. We've replaced one coil pack on it before. It was a super bad miss. I mean, you'd think the transmission was about to fall out of the thing. And it was just one single coil pack. So this might be number 2. So it's got like 280,000 miles. We'll check in a minute. Boatload of miles. It's been an absolute amazing truck, but just one of those things. You got a bunch of miles, things like this happen. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in it, go for a drive, see how it's acting. We'll come back here, throw a coil pack in it, see if that fixes our problem. Oh yeah, I can feel it immediately. Not running happy at all. Obviously, check engine light's on. 286,000 miles. Let's see, yeah, he's over the oil change, of course. He's always over it. He's gone like 15,000 miles over oil change before, which is absolutely insane. But it's just a true testament. These trucks are absolutely insanely good. So let's go take her for a quick drive. You see that thing shaking. I don't even need to go take it for a drive. We're gonna be able to throw that in there and immediately see how filthy this thing is. Oh yeah. Good gosh. Time for a freaking battery, that's for sure. Number 7 is going to be the farthest one back on the driver's side, and the bolt that holds that on is going to be a 10 mil. Same for your battery. So we're going to go ahead and take the negative off the battery, and then we'll get in there, pull that number 7 out. Probably going to have a crack or something in it, but one bolt and unplug the connection. Should be able to pop it right out. Gonna do my best not to block y'all's view. It's definitely a little awkward. There's a tab. You're going to want to push the whole thing down as you push that tab in, and then you should be able to use your other hand and lift that up like that. So now the little tab is done. Take our 10 mil, probably take the extension off. Here's your bolt that's gonna be holding it in there. That's literally it. And out comes the coil pack. So it's a little gross looking, but I don't see any necessarily crack or anything. But we're about to find out if that's the culprit. So here's a replacement coil pack. Just picked it up at Advance Auto, CarQuest, nothing fancy. Only thing I noticed different is this one's got like the little weather stripping, whereas the factory does not. So we'll see if this fits with this on there. I guess that's just to help keep water and debris out and whatnot, but the factory doesn't have that, so I don't know. Let's see if it fits. Line it up with our bolt. Snug her up. Don't want to do that too tight and snap that bolt off, so that should be perfectly fine. Plug that up just like that. We'll go ahead and throw our battery back on our negative terminal. So now, moment of truth. Let's fire this thing up and see if our coil pack fixed our problem. All right, fingers crossed for a very easy and quick fix tonight. Definitely sounds healthier right there. Oh boy, we are golden. We're gonna go take it for a spin here in a second to just verify that that check engine light does not come back on and trigger anything. But as of right now, idling much smoother. Stoked on that. So I don't know if I already talked about it, but headlights, only one working. So if you're not familiar with the channel, I just replaced the headlights in my 2001 Tundra with some LEDs, and I'm pretty sure the bulbs are probably the same. So I'm going to scrounge around here. I don't think I threw away my stock ones. I'm going to try to find those bulbs and just go ahead and throw them in here for him and get his lights working. So I did end up finding my stock bulb, so we should be able to swap them out. I think we can actually get access to it without even removing the headlights, so you won't be able to see, but I'm going to pull that back to separate the little 3-prong, pull the little dust boot off, and then I should be able to push that little clip, little metal piece that holds this in, flip it to where this goes loose, and then swap the bulbs out. I was correct. You can definitely get it without taking the headlight out. This is his bulb that came out, as you can see in there, broken. And then here is the one that came out of my truck. Looks the exact same, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there, see if it works. All right, got the other bulb thrown in there. Let's go see. Bada bing, bada boom. She's working. Let's test out our high beams. Or was that high beams? That was high beams. So now, low beams. Oh. That one's bad on low beams. That one was bad on high beams. So I do have my other stock headlight bulb over there. I'll swap this one out. Catch up with y'all after that. All right, that one swapped out just fine as well. Let's go test her out. Man, you gotta love that. What are the odds that I fix mine right before this happens? Have free replacement just from my old bulbs. There you go, Pops. Low and high beams are working again. Let's go take it for a spin. Purring like a kitten. The maintenance required light has literally been on like half its life, but she Gucci, right? She's fine, she's fine. So yeah, running totally smooth, totally fixed our problem. Headlights, while they are terribly gross and halogen and probably look super darker on the GoPro than they actually are in real life, they are working. I'm not gonna turn my high beams on because that car up there, but yeah, we fixed our issue. The old Tundy is back on the road. All right, guys, well, thankfully the Tundra is back running tip-top. 286,000 miles, you really can't complain with replacing a coil pack. So it's super easy as well, as you saw. So anyone can do that. You got a 10 mil, you can replace your coil pack. I'm glad we also had the lights. Now we've got his lights all fixed up. 286,000 miles, coil pack here and there. Can't complain with that one bit. This truck has been absolutely bulletproof, amazing. Hopefully you did enjoy. If your truck starts acting up like this, you get a number 7 or whatever, throw you a coil pack in there, it's probably gonna be your problem. So like I said, this is the second one in its lifetime that we've thrown in there. I think the last one was a cylinder 4 for some reason. It was something odd, but yeah, it's been years since that happened. Anyways, hopefully you did enjoy the video. Comment down below, let me know. See you in the next one.